I'll be showing you how you can create your own custom brushes in Affinity by Canva. So here is a snowflake I generated in ChatGPT. So this is the image I'll be using for this example. We will be creating a brush using an image, and let's see how we can do that. So ideally you could actually create a brush using selection, but for some reason I can't create a brush using that selection. So we're going to use the image option. So here I'm going to paste the address in my file explorer, and I've selected the image. I dropped it down. I shouldn't have done that. So I think I'll be deleting that soon. Let's try to create a brush. A brush was created, so I'm going to delete that because I want this to be done well. So let's first create a category where we would want our brush to be. So you can see the create new category option is there. So I'm going to type in the name of my category. We will do the process properly this time. So here's my category, and I'm going to click on the drop down new image brush. So we delete that. That's my image and brush has been created. So you can also edit your custom brushes so that they appear how you would want them to be. So ensure that in your swatches there's a color selected when you want to use a brush, so that, because if there's no color selected, your brush won't be visible. So yeah, so this is the brush format. So you could go to edit. We have general, we have dynamics, and you could use these two menus to adjust however way you want your brushes to be, so that the spacing, there the size, there's the X and Y axis of your brush, which makes your brush appear more scattered and not in a straight line, linear. So this is actually a very fine feature. I made an HVAC creative using this specific brush. I posted it on my Instagram. Most of my content gets posted on Instagram first before I use that concept to create a lesson here on YouTube. So we could actually do a lot of amazing stuff with this brush, and look out for my video on the creative I made using this specific brush style. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna have more fun.